Your product or service might be exactly what your target audience needs, but the problem is they don't know that yet. Now, I'm sure you've done a ton of marketing since you've launched your brand, but you're still not seeing results. Well, I don't want you to be discouraged. The reason why you're not seeing results yet is likely because you don't have a story. Now, you probably do have a story. You launched this brand, you launched this idea because you were inspired by something. That is our story. So in this video, we are going to be going over what a brand story film is and why we at SuperWell, my video agency, have made it our flagship piece of content, because at the end of the day, if you do manage to get somebody to go over to your website to make a purchase, to reach out, to request more information, you still need to sell them. So a brand story film is exactly what it sounds like. It's designed to tell the story of your brand so that you can inspire a specific audience. And if you're not talking to a specific audience, then you're not really talking to anyone. And we're going to be walking through exactly what it takes to film a brand story film so that you can start converting on all of that website traffic and start supercharging your sales with storytelling. What is a brand story film? It's basically a mini documentary about who you are and what you do, and most importantly, why your target audience should care. Now, this is a cinematic, super emotional handshake, and it's designed to reach a specific cold audience. Cold meaning they've never heard of you before, or this is the first time that they're going to be seeing any of your marketing. This is your main cinematic introduction, and it sits usually at the top of your website so that when you do attract more website visitors from social media, from ads, from word of mouth, this is the story that you are going to tell them, and you are going to blow them away. Meaning you're going to inspire them, hopefully, to add to their cart, to reach out for more info, to book a call, whatever your conversion event is. That is what a brand story film is designed to do. And yeah, it's easy to talk about, right? But why don't I show you one that we worked on super recently? A great brand story film can act as your 24/7 trust building machine. And a super great brand story film, which is what we at SuperWell like to aim for, will supercharge your sales so that it will be the only piece of content that you ever need to find customers and make predictable sales. A great brand story film is about creativity and strategy, meaning that before you actually hit record, you need to understand what journey you are taking this new viewer on and know what that ideal conversion event is by the end of it. So the tips I'm about to share with you in this video are exactly what you need to begin planning your brand story film. Let's get started. Here are my 3 secrets to make your brand story film cinematic and sale-worthy. Let's go. Number 1, every great story needs a villain. So for your brand, the villain is your customer's problem. And it's up to you to show them that you deeply understand their frustration. Remember, acknowledging the problem of your customers is the easiest way to get their attention. After you've acknowledged the problem, you then position your brand as the guide, as the solution. Second, and this one is major, show, don't tell. Don't just say you're high quality, premium, you're gonna get it done for them, you're the best in the world. Show them results. Show them that you're capable of delivering results that would make it impossible for them to not work with you. You have to show your promises with visuals. And number 3, now this is my secret weapon, and that is that sound is half the story. It's super important, and you need to have awesome sounds. The right music and sound effects create this emotional, subconscious vibe that really connects to your target audience. Using the right music and sound effects and placing them appropriately in your brand story film really help you stand out so that you seem like the favorite amongst your competitors. So let's recap my 3 secrets for making an epic brand story film. Identifying the villain, meaning you are trying to express what the ideal problems are for your target audience. As soon as you get that, as soon as you figure out what that is, you've got them. Next is showing, not telling. So what I mean by that is you can absolutely tell, meaning adding a cool voiceover, and have an expert from your team talk about the benefits of your product or service. But what we really want to see is the product or service in action. Show us happy clients using it. Show us the product actually being made, like the process. People love to watch how things are made. Let's go behind the scenes and see the product's evolution and actually see other humans use it and enjoy it. Most importantly, they need to be having a good time. That usually works. And number 3, it's using killer sound design. Now, a strategy that I like to use and other professionals like to use is to start with the music. So I use websites like Artlist, which has a huge collection of really beautiful songs, sound effects, stock footage, basically anything a creator or a brand needs. So I like to find a song first, and it helps me set the tone for the types of shots that I want to capture. Now, this entire combination of techniques is what makes a brand story film effective. Whether you're making it yourself or you're making it with us, which we'd be very excited to do, a great brand story film doesn't just get views. It builds a strong, loyal audience that connects with your story. And once they connect with your story, you've got a customer for life. Now, I know putting this all together seems like a lot of work, especially if you have other things to do on your list that come with building a company, which, speaking as one entrepreneur to another, I know it's a lot. And the very first and honestly easiest step is just writing your story down on paper. That's exactly why I poured everything I know on storytelling into the Brand Storyteller's Journal. Now, this is a 75-day digital guided system designed specifically to help you and your team discover your brand's why. Why are you starting this business in the first place? Why are you building the products? Why are you hiring who you're hiring? Why are you not ordering enough pizza at staff meetings? This is very serious stuff, guys. The Brand Storyteller's Journal will also help you better understand who your customer is, what their villain is, or remember what their problem is that you can fix for them. And it doubles as an entrepreneur's journal where you can set a morning intention to start the day and an evening reflection to end the day, all to help you become a master in brand storytelling and really narrow down who your audience is, what their problems are, and how you can fix them. This journal really acts as the foundation for everything that we as entrepreneurs do, and that's storytell. And it's really fun. So I'm gonna link it down below in the description for you to check out. There's gonna be an intro video on there as well, so you can learn more about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you start prioritizing storytelling in your marketing strategy. If you benefited from this video, if I was able to provide any sort of value, I would greatly appreciate it if you could just give this video a like, subscribe if you want to see more. So I'll see you next time, and in the meantime, speak soon and stay super well. Wow.